Hello everyone. Today I've taken up a random topic, desire and faith. I have a dream. I have a wish. I have hope. But truly, that is not enough. Just having a dream and doing nothing is not going to work. Just hoping for something and doing nothing is not going to work. I need to have a strong desire. I need to decide in my mind that what I want, I will work towards. I will move forward, burning all bridges behind me. That means there's no looking back. I will surge ahead, move forward, and do whatever it takes to achieve success. Nothing comes for free. If I desire, I need to plan. I need to decide in my mind what I will do to achieve my goals. Nothing is free. So what am I going to give society for what I want in return? I need to first plant that seed in my mind. And one seed planted in the best soil can bear abundant fruit. If we look back in history, there are so many instances where people have had a dream and worked towards it and achieved success. I'll take the biggest example, Gandhiji. He was a humble man. He had hardly any clothes on his body. He had hardly any battlefield. He had hardly any warriors with him, hardly any weapons. His one dream was to make India free. And he moved ahead alone, and the people just followed him because they believed in his faith. They believed in him. They believed in what he said. Dreams are the seedlings of reality. You sow the seed and it will bear fruit. Our only limitations are those that we set upon ourselves, only those that we set in our minds. Nothing is impossible for a person who moves ahead without looking back. Faith. Faith is something that we develop by setting positive affirmations in our mind. We tell ourselves with full emotions, with full feelings, that what we want, we can achieve. There are so many instances in the Bible that tell us how faith worked miracles. Faith turned water at the wedding at Cana into wine. Faith healed the sick woman when she only touched the garment of Jesus. Faith brought miracles in everyone's lives. So that is what, when we put faith and desire together, we can achieve success. We can translate our dreams into reality, and we can come out winners.